right under my feet. There's air and it breaks, pulls me down, turns me weak for you. I find myself repeating like a broken tune, and I'm forever excusing your intentions, and I give in to my pretendings, which forgive you each time. Without me knowing, they melt my heart to stone. And I hear your words that I made up. You say my name and that would be enough. I must tidy up my head.